god!
Is there a time what's the biggest chicken? Paper be made of iron waffles so much better than pancakes.
That's a lot of questions, but we're not here to answer them. We're here to talk about sneezing. Okay, let's get to sneezing. Gosh, that sounded better in my head. Anyways, sneezing can be embarrassing, and I mean very embarrassing, especially in the middle of a conversation. I mean, you sneeze, and everyone's like... And I'm just standing there like... And I sneeze again. And yet again, they're like... Why do we even sneeze?
Sneezing is something our body uses to clear the nose. When matter such as dirt, pollen, or...
Okay, besides that, why? Especially when you have like giant sneezes and someone's right by you. What the Okay, I'll stop with the explosion. Well, don't count on it. Oh, and... So yeah, overall, sneezing is annoying. But have you ever sneezed while drinking soda? First of all, it hurts. Second of all, and yes, I made that noise. But when I sneezed, the soda like went up my nose, and my brain said, yeah, let's just like make this 10 times more painful than it should be. Why did my brain do that? I don't know. Should it have done that? Yet again, I don't know.